Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we go. DRZ400 SuperMoto. Look at the ducks. This thing is so awesome. This thing's pretty fun. I hope you guys can hear me. This is only like the 4th time I've ridden it so far since I got it, but it's pretty fun. Plus my new vlogging setup here on the camera. So we'll see how that goes. I got new exhaust coming. Yoshimura RS2 is coming, so there'll be a little video on how to install that too. I put a little bit wider bars on it than I had before. I'll insert a little clip of the old ones. But these are way better. Pretty happy with them. Just going for a little rip around the block with the new bars, see how it feels. We'll pull in here and do a little walk around. Oh, here is the new to me DRZ400 SuperMoto. You can see right there. The MRD exhaust. We've got some more off-road tires. It has little lowering links down below there. I've listed it up a little bit. A 65-year-old lady had it before me, but just kind of starting with some of the mods. But this is pretty much the platform I'm starting with here. It's got the LED. It's got a cool flashing brake light in there. A bunch of little things. Case savers, skid plate, breakaway. I just put these Pastrana bars on it because the ones it had before were really small. And yeah, it's got a couple miles on it, but these things are cool. So anyways, this is the starting point. Got my moto vlogging camera system on here. Let me turn the lights on so you can see them. A little extra visibility in the shady weather. Kind of weird, but whatever. We'll be doing some more mods, so make sure you stay tuned. Let me know what you think. If you guys got any tips or ideas for me, let me know too. So like I said, the Yoshimura exhaust will be coming, RS2, so I want to quiet it down a little bit so it's just a little more fun to kind of rip around the block with. Don't want to have to wear earplugs. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go around the block and have a little fun. I like these bigger bars way better. The shorter bars were like so narrow together that it just felt like it was really twitchy, which it still feels twitchy to me, but it's not as bad as it was at all. So that's a win. Fun little bike, I really dig it. I've got the TW200, which I'll throw a picture in there now. But it was just, I don't know, not my style really. This bike is way more comfortable, way more power, way more suspension, way better looking. It's better in every way except for one. And the only way the TW200 was better was going slow. Like if you want to go, 2 or 5 miles an hour and putt around, TW200's your bike. This thing's slow. First gear is pretty tall. This is stock geared. I think it's 1541 yet, but we'll turn this corner here and we'll go a little bit slower. I think I might twist these bars back just a smidge more yet. Okay, so here's first gear. See, when you're putting along in first gear, you're doing 12 already. So see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you'll see some water come flying up over the front right there from that short Acerbis front fender, but none of it's hit me in the face. I hope it hasn't hit you guys. But not too big of a deal. It's not like I'm going to ride it in the rain that much. I did ride it home in the rain, which is kind of crazy. But I'll insert a little clip of that too. My wife was behind me in my truck.
This guy riding a bike in the rain in January.
But we got a little break in the rain today, so I wanted to take a little rip here. This thing's just so fun. I know there's a lot of DRZ guys out there, so if you're one, let me know. This is a 2007, in case I haven't mentioned that yet. Oh, and it's got this cool seat, which is really comfortable. And it's grippy too. I really like the feel of it. So it's had a few mods done to it. Nothing too crazy, and I'm not going to get too crazy with it. I'm just going to try to make it a little bit quieter and just enjoy it, really. Get it to where it feels about right for me. Which it's pretty close. Really close. These bars really helped a lot. If you guys got some tips on suspension tuning, let me know too. Like, I think I need to change the spring on the rear suspension, because I know they say these are rated for about a 140-pound dude, and I'm not 140 pounds at all. Such a cool bike. Total miles I put on it, about 35 so far. They've all been great and fun. It's a super fun bike. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out links down below in the description. If there's anything you're interested in, check out my other videos. And let me know what you think about the whole bike thing. So there'll be more of this coming in the future. I may do a little comparison ride one of these days with the TW200 and this one, and we'll go from there. So appreciate you guys watching this. We'll catch you in the next one.